Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Anzo USA. Today we're going to talk about 5 different styles of headlights for the Ford Mustang, years ranging from 1999 through 2004. My name is Julio, I'm with the tech department and I'm here to assist you. So let's start by talking about the OE style headlight, and we also have the OE style with the black housing and the rest of our projector line that comes in chrome, black housing, and black housing with halos. Each one of these has different features and functions, so let's take a minute to talk about them. Alright guys, so now let's take a moment to talk about the features and benefits of our products. Let's start with the OE style here, where everything's going to remain the same. Your high beam, low beam stays in the same spot, your turn indicator stays in the same spot, and your factory reflector stay in the same spot. Now on the back side, there's not much going on there either. Nothing has really changed. You still have your adjustment point here, and another adjustment point down here. Your harness still plugs into the same spot, so no changes there, as well as your turn indicator, it goes in the same spot. The only difference here is now you got a wonderful product from Anzo USA. Now on the other hand, on the projector side, things have changed a little bit. You have your high beam on this side and your low beam on this side, and the addition of the halos to make this product a little bit better than your average projector. Also, you have your turn indicator here and your factory reflector here. Nothing has changed there. On the back side, let's take a look, see what happened. Again, you have your adjustment point here and another adjustment point down here. On this side, the factory harness still plugs in here. Everything's fine. Now we have the additional wires here for the halos. But moving on to the factory turn indicator, still stays in the same spot. So now let's talk about the installation process of this product. Okay, now it's time to remove the headlight and install your new Anzo headlight. You are going to need a tool depending on how difficult it is to remove the tabs. Now I'm using a plastic pry tool, but you can use a flathead screwdriver and just stick it in this tab area here and one here. These are difficult to take out depending on how old your vehicle is. So just wiggle it underneath, take it out. Next one, and that's that. Next, start moving the headlight. Wiggle it a little bit because you don't want to pull on any of the wires, could damage something. Your high beam, low beam comes out, and your turn signal indicator comes out. Now we get the Anzo headlight. All right, so now that you have removed the old headlight, it's time to remove the turn signal indicator, as we previously mentioned. All you have to do is push in, turn, and pull, and it comes out. Install it on the new Anzo headlight. Push, turn, and you'll hear a click. That's done. Now remember, this process is the same whether you choose the OE style or you're moving on to a projector style. So now that we're done with that, let's take the headlight and install it in the car. All right, now that the turn signal indicator has been transferred over, we're ready to install it. You could always put it down. Don't forget to plug in your turn signal indicator. Don't forget to plug in your high and low beam. Wait for that click. That's how you know it's in there right. Get down so you can see the angle of the tabs. Once it's in place, now you grab your metal tab holders, jam them in place. Now the task is complete, we start on the other side. All right, now that you have installed your Anzo headlights, it's time to check out what they look like. And in the event that you have to make an adjustment for this particular vehicle, what you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. This vehicle has an adjustment point here. This will allow you to access the vertical adjustment for up and down. Once you're satisfied with the location, you're ready to get on the road.